how to check service alerts on the transit app. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can check service alerts on the transit app. So here's how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your transit application. Then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page where you can see a map, you can see the search bar at the lowest part of the screen, as well as your current location, which is usually used to identify it with a pink icon. And once you can see this, you are on this page. If there or when there is an active alert, you will notice a little triangle icon next to the line name or the line number on your map. All right, once you can see this triangle icon, just tap the line to get more information. Then after that, to read the full alert details, tap the alert bomber, which will be amongst the other options that have been displayed. After tapping the alert bomber, swipe to the left or to the right on the line or in the alert screen to check whether they are active alert or the opposite position. If the alert is associated with a specific stop, you would see a highlighted circle on the map indicating the affected stop, either red or yellow color, and then tap the stop, then the call out to view alert specific to that stop. All right, so most times whenever you have an alert on your transit application, you usually see it on the map here, and you would notice a little triangle icon next to the line where that service alert is being made. You just tap on it, follow the screen instructions, and you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching and have a good day.